for giraffe. I-N-G. Today I have a football match with giraffe. Let's see who wins the game. Oh! The giraffe has scored the goal. Once a goat wanted to eat grapes, but they were very high up. Giraffe said, "Sit on my back, then you can eat the grapes." The goat tried. She jumped on the back of giraffe, but she slid down. Again she tried. She slid down again. And then again she tried. She slid down again. Then giraffe sat down. And he said, "Sit on my head, then eat the grapes." So the goat jumped on the head of the giraffe and she was near the grapes. She picked grapes from the vine and jumped down. Then the giraffe and the goat, they both ate the grapes and enjoyed. G for giraffe. G for giraffe. G for grass. G for grass. Green grass. G for goat. G for goat. Ba. G for grapes. G for grapes. G for giraffe. G for grass. G for goat and G for grapes. Now clapping for G. H for hen. H for hen. I-N-H. I'm very happy today. What do you do when you're happy? Do you clap your hands? Yes! Today is horse birthday and everybody is happy. H for hen. H for hen. H for happy. H for happy. Happy, happy, happy. H for hands. H for hands. Clap your hands. H for horse. H for horse. H for hen. H for happy. H for hands and H for horse. Now clapping for H. I for ice cream. I for ice cream. I. Once I went into an igloo. It was very cold there. And there was a party of ice creams. They were jumping and dancing in the igloo. At once there came an insect. And the ice creams started running. They kept on running and then they jumped into a boat and started rowing the boat. And they reached an island and jumped on the island and stayed there forever. I for ice cream. I for ice cream. I for igloo. I for igloo. I for insect. I for insect. I for island. I for island. I for ice cream, I for igloo, I for insect, and I for island. Now clapping for I. Dear kids, for more alphabet stories, like this video and subscribe to my channel. Take care.